everybody, thanks for joining me for another video. Today we're going to be opening up a package that I received from Missouri River Soap. So let's get to it. Let's open this baby up and see what we have. Come on. Now, I don't know if you know, but from Missouri River Soap has her own YouTube channel, and I'll link it in the description below. So, already it's packed for protection. All that padding and everything, packed for protection. This Missouri River Soap. I'm going to pop this open. And I can never pop it open without ripping everything, so I'm just not going to worry about it. It's not going to be a pretty video. So we have her card. These are the social media sites where she has accounts. This was part of her Going Places collection. Thank you, Ken. That's okay. Okay, so we start off with a couple of samples here. So I'm going to take these sample soaps out because I want to show you. Now this shred, you're supposed to recycle it. I don't recycle this other than I don't send any packages out, so I don't recycle it in packages. And, well, let's not get into the recycling thing. So as you can see, there are quite a few, sorry for the angle. There are quite a few soaps here. And this is a secret present for my daughter. We have lemon rosewater, Jitterbug, coconut lime verbena, glacier lily. I'm hoping all these are showing up clear. And I really want to smell this one, Trailhead. So we're going to get the box out of the way, and we're going to, give me all that shred. And then we're going to go through each of the soaps. Okay, I'm going to hit the samples first. This is, I hope you can read it, Country Honeysuckle. It's a nice thick chunky one too. What does this say? It has the ingredients. Usually it'll tell you in the back of the regular soaps. It'll give you a small description of the soap. Oh, this does. It says sun-warmed honeysuckle. So let's just open this up. This is the bar. It's a pretty chunky sample. It's not a masculine scent. I think it's more of a maybe a feminine scent. It's nice. It's nice. Let's see what else we have here. And what Holly does is when she sends out the soap order, she sends out samples with the soap order of something you haven't ordered, in case, just to give you a example of the other soaps that she has. So you might get a soap sample smell and be like, oh my gosh, this is awesome, and you know what to order next time if she has it in stock. This one is I just tore the whole thing off, didn't I? Country. No, this isn't country honeysuckle. Don't you dare. This is bonfire. I know this isn't country honeysuckle, because I've ordered this in the past before. Bonfire. Ah. Yeah, it's a really nice smell. What does it say back here? It has mountain pine, sweet amber, patchouli, a little bit of campfire smoke. It says, I don't know. I ripped it. But it's a really good, this isn't a masculine or feminine smell. It's just a good woodsy, sitting by the fire kind of smell. And I will use this because I'm out of the other one that I had bought a long time ago. Let's see. This, which she's probably going to hear now because I'm going to say it. It's so shadowy over here because the light is over here on my face. I'm going to move the light. See what we can come up with here. That's better. Sunny beaches. Face scrub. It's a scrub. Not necessarily for your face, but it's a body scrub. It's a body scrub. I'll say it out loud. So, I'm going to open this up. It's good. It has good stuff in it. It's made with jojoba oil, apricot oil, sea salt. And the scent says warm sand, sea spray, jasmine, and sunscreen. So I'm going to open this up, see what it smells like. I'm thinking about it because it's not a masculine smell. I bought this for my daughter. It's a nice fresh smell. I don't know how else to describe it. It's just a nice fresh smell. But let me find the Sunny Beaches soap. And salty ocean breeze, warm sand, and sunscreened. Brightened by mandarin and jasmine with soft palm and a hint of cardamom. So you can see that the ingredients in this, as far as the fragrance is concerned, is different than this. Because this is the one that she had enough fragrance to make a batch. And this is the one that she didn't have enough fragrance to make the batch. So she added a few things in it to sort of make it smell the same. But this is the true test. I'm probably going to have to rip this. It's a beautiful looking soap. It's a beautiful looking soap. It's almost like it has waves on top. There is a difference. You can smell the difference. This has more of a, I don't know how to say it. Is it a, not ozone, but it's got a slightly different smell, even though they're supposed to be the same. Slightly different smell, but this is still good. Sunny Beaches. Let's see, what else do we have here? We have lemon rosewater. Now some of these I didn't get for myself. Some of these I got. Like this isn't a me soap, I don't think. Just from the name of it, I probably wouldn't use it for me. But let's see what we have here. There's the bar. Yeah, this is more of a feminine smell. It's clean. It's a nice clean smell. Yep, it's a nice clean smell. I'm probably going to give this away, either to my daughter or my niece or somebody. I'm going to give this away, but it's really nice. That was Sunny Beaches. This was Lemon Rosewater. Now we're going to get over to, let's see, Coconut Lime Verbena. Coconut Lime Verbena. I know I keep covering up the money maker here, but that's because I want to make sure that the camera focuses on what I'm putting in front of it, because it'll try focusing on my face. Coconut Lime Verbena. I'm thinking this might be okay, because I don't mind the smell of coconut. Oh, it's a very nice smell. You could, the coconut, it's like almost, it's not like strong, like when you sniff it you automatically smell coconut, but you can tell there's two flavors, right? Two fragrances blended together. Almost, it smells like almost equally. I'm smelling it because I'm trying to decide whether or not I want it. I might want this. We'll have to wait and see. Okay, now we're getting to some, we have 3 left, and we're getting into some interesting territory here. So we'll do the Jitterbug first. And this says fresh pulled espresso, frothy milk, and creamy vanilla. I keep opening things off camera, and I have to stop doing. I'm not used to, this is the first video I've made in a while, so I'm still getting used to the setup and where I need to have my hands. Ooh. Oh my gosh. That's the bar. You know what? This smells so good. You know, I'll tell you why it probably smells so good to me. It's because I'm totally off sugar. So when I smell this, it's like I want to get candy or something. I want to get like a toffee or a chocolate covered toffee or something like that. But it's really good. It's a really nice. Oh yeah, this is a home run, Heidi. This is a home run. Oh, if anybody wants to know what I'm talking about, go to moriversoap.com and order yourself a bar of this if she still has it in stock. Oh, it smells delicious. Okay, we've got 2 more to go. Which one should I do first? I'm going to do Glacial Lily, which I'm hoping is a masculine scent. There we go. Glacial Lily. And it's a chick scent. Yeah, I probably won't use this for myself. It has fresh ozone, eucalyptus. It says inspired by Glacial Lily. Fresh ozone and eucalyptus meet soft lavender and heliotrope, grounded in amber and patchouli. Yeah, I think this is a soap for my daughter or my niece. It's got something in it. I don't know what it is. I hate to say this, but this is going to be like an honest review of the soap. It's got something in it that just triggered my asthma. I can feel it. I don't know what it is, what scent it is, or fragrance it is, but it's yeah, I'm going to get that away from me. That may not be the best soap to get if you suffer from asthma. Anybody else? It smells awesome. I hated to say that, but it did trigger my asthma. It did something in there. I don't know which fragrance it is. None of these other soaps have done that to me except that one soap there. So this is Trailhead. And it says sugar pine, earthly patchouli combined with balsam, cedarwood, and sage. So let's see. There you go. Yeah, this is more of a masculine scent. This is, and there's nothing in it that's bothering me, so yeah, this definitely is a soap for me. So we have, for me, we have Trailhead, definitely, what is that? Jitterbug, which is a coffee soap. Oh, smells like dessert, Holly. Smells like dessert. Makes me want to get, what's that coffee dessert? Made with lady fingers and, oh gosh, what's it called? I forgot what it's called, but it makes me want some of that. Let's see. Coconut lime verbena. I'd use it if I was waiting on an order, her next order of soap. But it wouldn't, well, you know what? I'm kind of liking it now. So that is like a, probably. Sunny Beaches? Yeah, okay. I'll do Sunny Beaches. Now, the lemon rosewater. No. I'm going to give this one away. It's perfectly fine soap, but I bought it with the intent to give it away. I saw the name of it and what it was fragranced with, and I said, oh, maybe my daughter will like it, maybe my niece will like it. So I purposely bought it to give away. So it's not a bad review on this soap. Bonfire sample. I'm probably going to keep, but usually what I do with samples is once a regular soap gets down to about sample size, I'll take a sample that I have, wet it, and stick it right to it. So I have like a double-sided soap in order to use this. But I'll either keep this or I'll offer it to my niece because she likes camping and stuff, so she might like this, or her husband might like it. And then the last one is, where's the name of this baby? Country Honeysuckle, which I will give away. I mean, I like aloe and clover. I love that because it's like a fresh scent, and it's almost like an Irish Spring type thing. So it's not really a feminine or a masculine odor, but this is more, I think this is more feminine. So I'll give this to my niece as well if she wants it. So that's it basically. Oh, and then there's this one over here. The Glacier Lily. I'm not even going to smell it again. And my asthma attack is kind of dying down, so I'm not even gonna touch that one. But and then there's the Sunny Beaches, which is going to my daughter. I bought specifically for her, so I didn't buy this for me. But if she has any of the Jitterbug scrubs, I'd probably pick one up, because if you like scrubs, because this is an awesome scent. I feel like eating it. I feel like licking it and eating this. It's even got coffee on the top. Okay, well that's it for now. I don't want this video to get too long, so please visit. Where is it? Where's the card? Missouri River Soap. You can see her on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, right here on YouTube. And there's her profile name on all those social media sites. And then you can also visit her at moriver.com. And like I said, I'll put the link to the description below. And I'll probably also list the soaps that I bought and the fragrances that went in them. I'll put that in the description as well. Well, thank you very much for joining me. Thank you, Holly, for a wonderful release of soaps, especially this one. Oh my gosh. This is the next one I'm using. I'm not going to save it. This is the next one I'm using. In fact, I'm going to go replace right now the soap in my shower with this one right now. And it doesn't look like it doesn't look like there's specks in it. But it doesn't look like the specks are exfoliating. It's not like chunks of hard pieces of coffee. It looks like it's just coffee that's bled into the soap, so it looks cool. All right, well, thank you very much for joining me. Thank you, Holly, for a wonderful release, for getting this stuff to me so quickly, and for the shout out on Pack and Chat. So that's it for now. I'm hoping to, now that I've got this video out, I'm hoping to post a lot more videos now that the summer is here, it's sunnier, and it stays lighter later. So lighter, say that 10 times fast. And yeah, so I'm hoping to post more content, hopefully once a week. So I'll see you back here soon. God bless. Bye-bye.